In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add dropshipping products to your Shopify store. So I assume you're dropshipping with AliExpress. If you're using a different store, then this might work as well. If not, I'll leave some links to other videos in the description down below that might help you out. So what we need for this is an extension called Overlow. I'm pretty sure that you've heard about that since it's pretty popular, but you want to install this onto your browser. So make sure you're using Google Chrome and then install this using the Chrome Web Store. I've made a video about this as well, which I'll also link in the description down below or on the screen right now. So once you've installed that on your browser, you can go to AliExpress and find the product that you're dropshipping. Let's say that I'm dropshipping. Let's just click on a random product here. Let's say I'm dropshipping this. Alright, so you go to the product page and you'll then find the Overlow icon in the bottom right corner. You want to click on it. It's then going to import this product to Overlow, which is the extension. Click on Open Import List. This will send you over to the import list that you have on your Overlow account. So this is the product you want to dropship. You can change the information if you want to. I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to click on Import Store. So once all of this is alright, you want to click on Import to Store. And it's then going to import it to your Shopify store. So this might take a few seconds. And there we go. This product has been imported to Shopify store. If I now go to all my products, we'll see it over here. And that's how you can easily get a product from AliExpress to your store on Shopify. Now, like I said, this also works with some other platforms. I'll leave them in the description down below, but that's how you can add dropshipping products to your Shopify store using AliExpress and Overlow. So if this video helps you out, leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions, let me know, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.